Your kidneys work quietly every second of your life. They filter waste, balance fluids, regulate minerals, control blood pressure, and protect your blood from becoming toxic. When they become stressed or damaged, the effects spread throughout the entire body. Fatigue increases, swelling appears, blood pressure rises, and toxins slowly accumulate. The good news is that the foods you choose each day can either burden your kidneys further or help them recover and function more efficiently. In this video, we'll explore 8 powerful nutrient-rich foods that support kidney repair, reduce inflammation, protect delicate filtering units, and promote long-term kidney resilience. These are not miracle cures, but consistent dietary allies that work gently and steadily over time. Let's begin. 1. Bitter melon, nature's blood, sugar regulator. Bitter melon is a unique fruit known for its sharp taste and powerful medicinal reputation. For centuries, it has been used in traditional diets across Asia, Africa, and South America, especially for metabolic and organ health. While its bitterness may take time to appreciate, its impact on kidney health is remarkable. One of the most significant threats to kidney tissue is oxidative stress, a condition where harmful free radicals overwhelm the body's natural defenses. When this happens inside the kidneys, it can damage the glomeruli, the tiny filtering structures responsible for cleaning your blood. Bitter melon contains a rich blend of antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These compounds help neutralize free radicals before they cause scarring or long-term damage. Bitter melon also plays a crucial role in blood sugar control, which is vital for kidney protection. Elevated blood glucose slowly damages kidney blood vessels, reducing filtration efficiency and increasing the risk of diabetic kidney disease. Bitter melon contains natural compounds that improve how cells absorb glucose and enhance insulin activity. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, it reduces strain on kidney tissues over time. Additionally, bitter melon has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic kidney problems often involve ongoing inflammation, which accelerates tissue breakdown. By calming inflammatory responses, bitter melon supports healing and slows disease progression. You can consume bitter melon cooked, juiced, or in powdered form. Because of its potency, moderation is essential. Small, consistent amounts are far more beneficial than excessive intake. 2. Flax seeds, tiny seeds with powerful kidney protection. Flax seeds may be small, but they carry an impressive nutritional profile that strongly supports kidney and cardiovascular health. One of their standout features is their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid. These healthy fats are well known for reducing inflammation throughout the body, including within kidney tissues. Inflammation inside the kidneys restricts blood flow and disrupts filtration. Omega-3 ES help maintain flexible blood vessels, allowing proper circulation and efficient waste removal. Flax seeds also contain lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant effects that protect cells from oxidative damage. Fiber is another key benefit. Adequate fiber helps regulate cholesterol levels and supports healthy digestion, reducing toxin buildup that kidneys would otherwise need to filter. Lower cholesterol also means healthier blood vessels, which directly improves kidney perfusion. Flax seeds may also assist with blood pressure regulation. High blood pressure damages kidney filters over time, but regular flax intake has been shown to support more stable readings. For best absorption, flax seeds should be ground. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or baked foods. Start slowly, as their fiber content can be intense for beginners. 3. Turmeric, a natural shield against kidney inflammation. Turmeric is more than a colorful spice. It's a deeply protective food for internal organs. Its active compound, curcumin, has been widely studied for its ability to fight inflammation and oxidative damage, two major drivers of kidney deterioration. Within the kidneys, Inflammation can damage blood vessels and increase protein leakage into urine, a common sign of kidney dysfunction. Curcumin helps stabilize kidney membranes, reduce inflammatory signaling, and protect delicate tissues from further injury. Turmeric also supports healthy blood circulation by improving vascular function. When kidney blood flow is optimal, filtration improves and waste removal becomes more efficient. Adding turmeric to soups, stews, rice dishes, or warm beverages is an easy way to benefit from its protective properties. Pairing turmeric with black pepper enhances curcumin absorption significantly. Moderate intake is key, especially for individuals with kidney concerns. Excessive doses may place unnecessary strain on sensitive systems. 4. Fish. Clean protein for kidney repair. Protein is essential for healing, but not all protein sources are equal when it comes to kidney health. Fish stands out as one of the most kidney-friendly protein options available. High-quality protein supports tissue repair without producing excessive waste products that overburden the kidneys. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, also supply omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to kidney tissues. Omega-3s help lower triglycerides, support heart health, and stabilize blood pressure, all factors that indirectly protect kidney function. Fish is also naturally low in saturated fat, making it easier on the cardiovascular system. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week, prepared by grilling, baking, or steaming rather than frying. Simple preparation preserves nutrients and avoids added sodium. 5. Olive oil, liquid protection for kidney cells. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can include in a kidney-supportive diet. Rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidant polyphenols, it helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress throughout the body. These antioxidants protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals and help maintain flexible blood vessels. Improved circulation means better filtration and less strain on kidney tissues. Olive oil also helps regulate cholesterol levels and supports stable blood pressure. Unlike many processed oils, it contains no phosphorus, making it gentle on compromised kidneys. Use olive oil as your primary cooking fat, drizzle it over vegetables, or mix it into dressings. A little goes a long way. 6. Blueberries. Antioxidant. Powerhouses for kidney defense blueberries are among the most antioxidant-rich fruits available. Their deep blue color comes from anthocyanins, compounds that actively combat inflammation and oxidative damage in kidney tissues. These antioxidants protect nephrons, the tiny filtering units inside your kidneys, from breakdown and aging. Blueberries are also low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, making them ideal for kidney-conscious diets. Another benefit of blueberries is their role in supporting urinary tract health. Certain compounds help prevent bacteria from sticking to urinary tract walls, reducing infection risk that could otherwise spread to the kidneys. Enjoy blueberries fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies. 1 to 2 servings daily provides consistent protective benefits. 7. Cabbage. Gentle detox support for kidneys. Cabbage is a humble vegetable with exceptional kidney benefits. It contains antioxidants such as vitamin C and sulfur-based compounds that help neutralize toxins and reduce inflammation. Low in potassium and phosphorus, cabbage is easy for the kidneys to process. Its fiber content supports digestion and helps eliminate waste through the intestines, reducing the load placed on kidney filtration. Cabbage can be eaten raw, lightly cooked, or fermented. Including it several times a week provides steady support without overwhelming mineral intake. 8. Cucumbers. Hydration and cleansing. In one, cucumbers are composed mostly of water, making them excellent for kidney hydration. Proper hydration allows kidneys to flush waste more efficiently and prevents mineral buildup. They also contain antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which protect kidney cells from damage. Cucumbers are naturally low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them extremely kidney-friendly. Their mild diuretic effect encourages healthy urine flow without overstimulation. Adding cucumbers to salads, snacks, or infused water is an easy way to support daily kidney function. Your kidneys don't heal overnight, but they respond powerfully to consistent care. When you choose foods that reduce inflammation, stabilize blood sugar, improve circulation, and lower toxic buildup, you give your kidneys the environment they need to recover and thrive. End of video. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, support it by liking and sharing it with someone who needs it. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with every new upload. Thanks for watching, take care of your kidneys, and we'll see you in the next video.